Pick one, Boogly.
Pick one?
Yep. You can pick song. This is our all-bird question.
Does it have to be off the list, or can I just make one up?
You can make one up, but we won't be able to play it.
You can say whatever you want to, but you have to be from this list first.
Paper of Pins is like
the one we just.
in.
That's the one we just did.
Oh, Popper of Pins. Okay.
Yeah, Paper of Pins is the one we just performed.
What does that say down there? The nympho? No, Nightingale.
Nightingale.
Okay.
There's Nottingham Town down at the bottom. Nightingale should be on there
Nightingale
somewhere.
above it.
Anything but whiskey in the jar.
Okay, we won't do that.
We won't do that one.
Heard that one a lot today, have you?
No, I've just heard it a lot in my life.
Oh,
Yes.
Alright, so the Nightingale.
Nightingale?
A bird song! Yay!
It's all birds. You got to get the last song out of my head
Yes,
now.
don't sing that one again.
Don't sing that one again.
I know we said it again, but we're not doing it.
Do a mashup.
That would be funny. As I was walking one morning in May, I spied a young couple who fondly did stray. And one was a young maid, so sweet and so fair, and the other one was a soldier and a brave grenadier. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like a sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream. And they both sat down together for to hear the nightingale sing. And out of his knapsack he took a fine fiddle, and he played her such a merry tune as you ever did hear. And he played her such a merry tune that the valleys did ring. And they both sat down together for to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like a sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream. And they both sat down together for to hear the nightingale sing. And they both sat down together for to hear the nightingale